Hey there, friend. Today, I'm checking out the Gianna Reacher GX alarm clock, and let me tell you, this one really surprised me. I honestly thought it might be a gimmick, but no, this thing means business. If you struggle with waking up, whether you're a deep sleeper or you need something more accessible for hearing loss, this dual mode alarm hits loud and it shakes like a freight train. With 5 different vibration settings, dual loud alarm modes, and even a strong magnetic charging base, it's one of the smartest designs I've seen in a while. Stick around and I'll show you exactly why this might be the last alarm clock you ever need. Do you have a hard time getting up for work, for school? Reacher has a solution for you. The wireless vibrating alarm clock. This should be fun. Now, I happen to be pretty darn good at getting up in the morning, but I have a couple of teenagers and I'm excited to share this product with them. Okay. Oh, I was not expecting this. Okay. Okay, we'll have a little closer look in a moment. This feels good. Okay, what else is in the box? So we've got, of course, the alarm clock. It's wireless, so I'm thinking this is to charge it here. And, oh, okay. Oh, good, good. There's a stand. At least I think that's what that is. Yeah, little grippy bottom. Oh, it's like a charge. Oh, a charging stand. Oh, this is actually cooler than I was expecting. And then a little bit of documentation inside here. We've got the user manual and a little bit of a recommended usage, sort of quick start guide. Okay, all right, this is going to be fun. So I'm pleasantly surprised by the design and the build quality of this product. It has far more details than I was expecting. It comes, of course, with this charging base, and it's got the 2 contact pins with 2 pins on the bottom. Pretty straightforward design. It's got a nice sturdy magnet. Like, I can almost pick up the base with it. Not quite, but it holds it in place really, really well, which I think is a very, very smart and, helpful, productive design. Now, the feel of it is actually really, really nice. It's got like a mesh sort of fabric feeling on it. This little sort of carrying loop. I think you could use this, to kind of tether it so that you don't lose it, because I believe this is designed to be used underneath your pillow or at least in the bed with you so that, you can wake your butt up in the morning. And it's got all the features that you would expect of a regular alarm clock. Of course, you've got your on-off switch, which is clear, concise, and easy to find. It's got a little grip texture here so you can find it, when you're half asleep. The wheel, there's a dimmer. I think there's a little more to it than I was expecting. And I'm going to have to take a look at the instruction manual to get a little bit deeper. I think this is like the different settings of the alarm. I don't think it has any power just yet. I haven't charged it or plugged it in yet. And we've got our different settings, and each of them, like I don't know if it's braille, but it's got like, little buttons to push, the positive, the negative. I think it's like volume up and down. I believe that's like the vibration, but we'll check that out in a minute. And then the dimming. I don't know. Oh, it does have some power. Oh, okay. This is really cool. I am pleasantly surprised. You can turn it right down or you can turn it up quite a bit. So if it was sitting on here, it would actually like work like a little bedside alarm clock. Okay, I thought this might have been a bit of a gimmick, but this is a serious product. This is going to solve a serious problem. It'll be interesting to see how loud and how vibrating it can really be. But I'm going to elicit the help of my number one target audience, my teenage son, whether he likes it or not, and we're going to put this through the real life test, get him to go to sleep with it, because true story, he was just about late for work just the other day. He's got a summer job, and this is going to be great. And I could see a lot of people that could really put this to use. Okay, so first things first, of course, I need to set the time on this thing. So you push this little button here. This is like the time setting button. Okay, and I actually noticed there's 24-hour mode or 12-hour mode. So depending on your preference, I prefer 24-hour mode. I'm a nurse, so that's just normal to me. So now 1629, it's actually 0406. So, okay, so 04, push that again, it blinks. Can I hold it down? No, gotta click, which is, I mean, it's fine. We're only gonna do this once. 0406, and push that to confirm. 24 hours, we're good. Okay, so now we've got it set. Now, second, to set the alarm, this is the alarm set button. Then you can select the hour, the minute, the ringtone, and the volume. And then you're also going to use these to change the time you're going to wake up, and then you click this again. So it's got an alarm button. So it's currently set for 7:10, which is no bueno for me. I'm going to set that for, let's see, yeah, oh, I went by it. I want 13:30. Click it again. 13:30. I know, I got a pretty interesting schedule compared to normal people, but that's actually not. It's a little bit, I'm on vacation right now. Let's go for 1300. I normally get up around right at 1 o'clock. I work evenings, okay? Don't judge. I'm not judging you. And then click the alarm button. Oh, okay, that was a bit much. Oh boy. Where's the volume? Well, that's the dimmer. Oh my God. Oh man, this will make it. Oh. Okay, I mean, we haven't tried the vibrating yet, but you can see right now, this is designed for a very specific kind of person in mind. If you don't want to lose your job, if you don't want to get kicked out of school, this is definitely the product for you. That was so loud. It was so irritating, but that is what you need, right? That is what you need. Let's push this vibration. Okay. Okay, there's different settings. So 1, 2. So 5 vibration settings. Like, it is this. I love this little thing. I get up great. I have a very consistent schedule, but if you know if this product is for you or not, you know what I mean? This is ridiculous, but it is so good. It feels nice. It serves a function. You can just set it on just vibrate or just sound. I mean, come on. Other than testing this with an actual sleeping person, I think you know if this is for you. Yeah, Mom.
How do you turn this thing off? Oh.
So what do you think, John? Would that thing wake you up?
Yeah.
Is it loud?
And it unexpectedly vibrated the pillow.
Was it like a soft vibration, or would you know for sure?
I would know for sure. It's very loud and pretty annoying, but it would definitely wake me up in the morning every day.
Yeah.
So, if you've ever slept through a dozen alarms or just want something truly reliable to start your day, the Gianna Reacher GX alarm clock might be your perfect match. I was genuinely impressed by the power, the thoughtful accessibility features, and the design. It's not just smart, it's stylish too. Hit the like button if this helped you out, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest and unbiased tests and reviews every week. As always, thank you so much for watching.